Express. The next stop is Queens Plaza, followed by Roosevelt Avenue. The bypass station is transfer at Roosevelt for Manhattan-bound R trains, making all local stops on back to Manhattan. Once again, the next stop will be Queens Plaza, followed by Roosevelt.
What you need, puppy?
So I need to get off at Jackson Heights.
Oh yeah, that's the next stop.
This
train's gonna run express, but
Right.
only Manhattan-bound trains make the stop.
Yeah, sit.
Just
sit down.
here.
But I thought he said,
Oh, I think
Sit down.
Queens
Just sit down. Sit down.
Wait, Jackson Heights gotta get off?
Roosevelt.
Avenue.
Oh,
Sit
no.
down.
He said,
You have to sit down. Because the train's gonna go all the way
Yeah,
there.
sit down. You good?
Oh, you good, you good. And don't smile.
You want to sit down?
This is a Forest Hills 71st
Oh, I forgot each
Express.
Attention passengers, due to construction, this train will be running express. The next stop will be Roosevelt Avenue, the bypass station, transfer at Roosevelt. For Manhattan-bound R trains, making local stops.
Next time I'll let you know when my crazy
Next
friends
stop,
get on.
Roosevelt Avenue. Step in, thank you,
I'll
close
let
the
you know
door.
when my crazy friends get on.
You never know what can happen. You never know what can happen. Don't stop.
We just give it a friendly way when the door closes.
So give me a count. You don't smell it right now. Oh my god.
Well, you gotta pay attention to what's around you.
But I'm always paying attention to what's
No,
around
you're
me.
not. You're on that.
Name a reason when. Name a time when I did it.
You have to always pay attention.
What, you think I'm stupid or something? What you want from me?
You gotta pay attention to what's around you.
Oh, I always do. Bro, I always pay attention. I always pay attention.
Then you didn't see her sitting there for the last 20 minutes.
Oh, I did.
No, you did not. No, you did not.
I actually did. I'm not. No cap. I actually did. I saw her right there. Okay, is that a layup train or that just an?
Pay attention to that.
Okay, that's probably an E train, right? Or it's probably an E. Wait, is that an E or an F?
That's why I don't bring you out.
Oh wait, that train's a layup.
Homie is going to get you. That's going to get you hurt.
The homie then maybe. Yeah.
Huh?
All right, there goes that.
See? You're not paying attention at all.
Oh, I'm paying attention.
A bird can shit right in your, can pop poop right in your nose, and you'll still be on it. You have to pay attention.
Well, at least it happened. At least it didn't happen to you.
Yeah, but what happened if I'm not here? And something goes down, and you're not paying attention to what's around you. I mean,
I always pay attention.
no, you do not.
I always do. I saw that woman. I actually did.
No, you did not.
Yes,
If
I
you did. Then why did you come up to me and ask what about that man on the way in the corner in J Street?
Because I already saw him.
No, you did not see him.
Okay, you're okay. Sometimes I don't pay attention.
Right. You see, y'all in the street, and you went out there. What happened if she got up?
And did what?
Try to start.
I'll just start right back.
No, you cannot. You do not do that.
What do I do then? Tell you?
You gotta tell me so we can move. You have to understand when I grab you because you will sit there in your own world.
No, I won't.
Yes, you do.
I'll prove it.
It's 8:06.
Wait, what?
It's 8:06 now.
What time do you think we'll get there?
We'll get there in a few minutes.
What do you mean a few minutes? We have.
There's only 2 stops left.
No, there's not 2 stops left. There's Elmhurst.
No, it's running express.
No, after Roosevelt.
It's not running local. Remember that.
Oh, you see those local stops?
Yeah, it's not gonna run that. Remember, it's construction. So relax.
So this train's not stopping at Elmhurst.
Pay attention to what's around you, son.
Oh, 36th Street's going under renovation.
They're fixing all that stuff. That's why it's the weeds. The weeds.
That's the weed.
If you can put that down for 10 minutes, I'll give you $20.
Nah, bro, I have 200. And guess what? I get an idea. I'm gonna hold this and I'm not gonna look at it for 20 minutes.
You can't do it.
Oh, I can. Just watch. How much time do I have? I bet. If I can last for 5 minutes, then
20 minutes.
I can only fit 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
10 minutes.
Nope.
Fine, 15's acceptable.
No, better yet, if you can make it to the last stop,
Without looking at it.
you gotta pay attention to what's around you. You can't do that. I know you can try. I want you to try. But you have to do
Oh, you want to see me try? Just watch me.
and, you can't, and you can't look at your phone either.
Not even to look at the time? Just look at... So, wait. So if I look at the time on my tablet, does it count?
Yep, it counts. Because the time is right there.
We have at least 7 stops up. It's gonna stop at Elmhurst, I think.
You have to be cognizant of what's around you. It's the whole thing of it. There's gonna come a time when you're gonna have to be on this here alone. And you have to pay attention to what's to your left, what's to your right, and you can't make it out of it. To your left, to your right, to your center, and what's behind you.
You're behind me right now.
When you're alone, and you don't do that well.
Oh, I do it perfectly.
No, you do not.
Oh, I can show you right now. See? I see everything in car
Now you do.
9801,
Now you do.
and I'm not looking at it. Oh, shit.
You just did it. I told you.
For some reason, I actually thought it have recorded. Anyway, deal's off.
Yeah, because you look at it. You have to learn. And mind you, I'm on my phone. You know how me and my music are. I get into my own little world. But I understand that you have to pay attention to stuff. Even though I'm on my music, I still pay attention to what's around me. You have to. If you don't, you get hurt. You have to look and see what's to your left, what's to your right. If you don't do that, you lose.
To my left.
Not now. You do it to yourself. You don't do that. You get hurt. You can't do that to yourself. Right? Left, right.
Left, right.
Once you hear that noise, somebody needs to know what you do. To the left.
I know my way around here.
Chelsea? You gotta keep your head on the swivel. Because you just can't go out here.
It's true.
This is Jackson Heights, Roosevelt Avenue. Transfer is available to
Oh, there's an F train.
It's here, Roosevelt Avenue. We'll bypass stop. Please transfer here to the up the stairs, the Manhattan bound platform. All our trains will make all stops going back to Manhattan. After Roosevelt, this train will be making regular R-line stops, all local stops to 71st Continental.
Dude, what's holding? parked it right there.
This is a Forest Hills 71st Avenue bound R local train. The next stop is Elmhurst Avenue.
Dad, we gotta get. We might get home by 9. It's 8:12.
What, to get dinner?
No. If we get dinner, it's gonna be around. I'm gonna say 8:20 or something. And then if we get home, then if we try to go home, it's like.
We're gonna take a cab.
I thought we were gonna take the. I thought we were gonna take the 80 Union Turnpike and catch a cab from there.
We're gonna take a cab
I prefer Union Turnpike. It's closer to home.
I mean, you want to get back on the bus? You want to get back on the bus? We're gonna take a cab from Union Turnpike.
Because if we go to like, what was it called? Union Turnpike, we could just take the either way. Alright, we're back on the local track. Next stop by default is Elmhurst Avenue. Oh my god, my stomach. Yo, what did I eat today? Slushy, popcorn, that's all. What the heck? No, do this. Have orange juice, Queens Blvd orange juice. Oh, I could really use this.
This is Elmhurst Avenue.
Alright, next up is oh, it's another R train.
This is a Forest Hills 71st Avenue bound R local train. The next stop is Grand Avenue, Newtown.
Oh, I forgot. Hey, Dad.
Clear of the closing doors, please.
See that door over there? Can I go to that door over there?
Right here.
I might as well just go from over here then. Wait, forgot. Our train's right behind me. Oh, my stomach. Oh, shoot. Oh, guys, I got a stomach ache. Oh, God. Probably the speed and the shoes. I don't know if you remember, but I have motion sickness on trains as well. Oh my God, my stomach.
This is Grand Avenue, Newtown. Transfer to the 253 Select Bus Service.
Can I go sit down?
Should have been sat down.
Oh, shoot, I'm in.
We'll go to the corner. What happened?
This is a Forest Hills
My
71st Avenue bound R local train. The next stop is Woodhaven Boulevard.
Clear of the
That's
closing
fine.
doors,
This
please.
speeding tube that will cause this. Alright, stop Woodhaven Boulevard. Let's see how renovated the station could be.